Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump in. It's the 2nd of March, Monday, and see how it goes. Let's challenge March and see where we're going to stop the end of March. Let's go. Okay guys, we run out. It's not good for a start, but yeah, that's facts, my friends. Like I said, I play it as it is, win or lose. I'm not gonna post videos that's only winning. I want to know the facts of online gambling. Is it worth it or not? But yeah, we ran out. We're sitting with a balance of 20 bucks. Thank you guys. Let's go to the dashboard. Right guys, here's the dashboard. It's the 1st of March. Stopped on 20 bucks. Here's our lost. I played 1242. And yeah, let's go to the dashboard. Here it is, like you can see, we're in a minus. So all of that is dropping. All of that is dropping. So yeah, let's see how March is going, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.